In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Lenovo laptop. So if you want to reset your laptop back to its factory settings, then we can do this by heading over to the Start menu and just searching for Settings and click on the Settings window. In the left-hand navigation, select System, scroll down and click on Recovery. And next to Reset this PC, we need to click on the Reset PC button. Now, if you just want to delete your applications in settings but keep all of your personal data, then you could select this top option to go and keep my files. But if you just want to remove everything from your computer, so say you're selling your computer or you just want a fresh start, then we can click on remove everything. Now it's going to ask how you'd like to reinstall Windows. So we're going to start by clicking on the cloud download. So just make sure you're connected to an internet connection. If for some reason the cloud download doesn't work, then you can always click on local reinstall as well. Now, as you can see, this is going to remove all of your data from your computer and it's going to reinstall Windows. So once this is completed, it will be like when you first purchased your laptop out of the box. So if you're happy to do this, go and press on next, and then you'll just need to wait around 30 minutes while this resets your computer. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.